एक चुटकी टमाटर,
एक चुटकी टमाटर
की कीमत,
की कीमत
तुम क्या जानो,
तुम की जानो,
पाकिस्तानी हो.
पाकिस्तानी हो.
If you ever get a chance, would you like to visit Pakistan? What's your?
Xavier.
Okay, what's your name?
Paula.
Farm.
Tiara. My name's Lydia.
Lydia?
Yeah.
What about you?
Leah.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, फोकस एंटरटेनमेंट टीवी की तरफ से मैं हूं आपका होस्ट यूसुफ बुखारी. वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. आज की हमारी ये वीडियो एक कोलैबोरेशन वीडियो है जो कि पाकिस्तानी नाज कैनेडियन यूट्यूबर आसम सरवर भाई ने हमारे चैनल फोकस एंटरटेनमेंट टीवी के लिए बनाई है. इसमें हमारा टॉपिक है व्हाट कैनेडियन थिंक एंड नो अबाउट पाकिस्तान. वीडियो को देखने से पहले आसम भाई के चैनल आई केयर फॉर यू और फोकस एंटरटेनमेंट टीवी को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें. दोनों के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद हैं. अभी जाइए इनके लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए और इनके चैनल पे जाके इनकी वीडियोस को वॉच कीजिए. वहाँ पे अच्छे कमेंट कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए.
What do you think where I'm from?
Vancouver.
Vancouver.
Vancouver. Yeah, I would say Vancouver.
Do I look like a Vancouver guy?
You got the rain jacket, yeah.
Honestly, yeah.
Because it's rain, so.
Well, Vancouver's really culturally diverse, so yes, Vancouver.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm saying somewhere in the Middle East because of your accent.
From India. No?
You're close.
Close to India? Not India?
No.
I don't know. Pakistan, maybe?
Say it again.
Pakistan?
What makes you say that?
Honestly,
It's close to India geographically.
Okay, let me give you options, right? And let me know. India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Bangladesh.
Pakistan.
Oh, she guessed it. What makes you say that? Well, how did you guess it?
I didn't know you say it differently when you said Pakistan, so I thought that was the...
Oh, she caught me from there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting.
Pakistan.
Yeah, now you found out. Yeah.
Pakistan?
Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna guess Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
I'm from Pakistan. Really? Yeah.
Pakistan?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
What makes you guess that?
Accent.
Oh, accent. My accent is not that great, right? Like not a good English accent.
No, it's good English, but I hear the accent though.
Okay, that's
Pakistan.
good. Pakistan.
Okay.
What makes you guess that?
Maybe your eyes and your nose.
My eyes and nose.
Lanka, I think.
Okay, she won. I'm from Pakistan. How do you know that? Where are you from actually?
I'm from here, or no, sorry, I'm not from
Origin.
Vancouver Island, but my parents are Chinese. I think it's because one of my best friends when I was a child was from Pakistan, so maybe.
Do you know where is Pakistan located?
Is it beside Iran? And it's beside Iran, India.
It's like Middle East, right?
Middle East.
Southeast Asia.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, same.
It's okay.
I'm gonna trust her because
Yeah.
she's smart. So Southeast Asia.
No, like which continent?
Asia.
Asia. Yeah, right. South Asia. Yeah.
Like as a continent or
As a continent.
Asia? Yeah.
Like where exactly in Asia?
Southeast Asia.
Oh, she knows more than me. Okay, you have to be very honest. The moment I say the word Pakistan, what comes to your mind first?
Nuclear disarmament.
What's that?
Nuclear disarmament.
Okay, and what about you?
I mean, your skin tone, I guess.
Skin tone.
Yeah.
What about you?
Music.
Music? Do you hear Pakistani music?
My parents kind of listen to Pakistani.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Different music. Like the music that you kind of listen.
Oh, so you like Pakistani music?
What type of music?
I don't really, but my parents do, so it's kind of like, yeah.
So they understand Pakistani music?
No, they just enjoy the music.
When I say the word Pakistan, what is the first thing comes in your mind? Just be honest with me.
I don't know.
I don't know. Like I was gonna say India, but that's probably offensive.
But that's fine, it's okay. Whatever's in your mind, just say that. It's okay, we don't mind.
Food, people,
Food?
people.
And what about you?
Food.
Food? Yeah, which Pakistani food do you like?
Anything, everything,
Any food?
any food.
I think about what's going on between India and Pakistan is what I see in the news.
Okay.
Culture, food,
Oh, food. Nice. What food do you know?
like spices and like the really colorful sauces and lots of flavor and stuff like that.
Have you guys ever tried any Pakistani food here?
I don't think I have, no.
Does kebab count?
Okay.
I think we have, but we're not too sure.
What was that?
What was it called?
Is it biryani?
I think so.
Curry?
Might have been, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what we said? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was that.
So yes, we have had.
I think I have.
Which one?
I can't remember, but my parents have a lot of like friends that are Pakistani, so I've been to their houses, and I think I had.
What kind of food was that? Like any idea?
I don't know. It was a long time ago.
Okay. Was that tasty?
Yes, it was very good.
At least it was tasty, right?
Samosa, does that count?
Yeah, you can count it. Yeah.
Samosa? Yeah.
Yes, like a few like curry places. Yeah.
Oh, you like curry?
Yes.
Tried?
Yes.
How was that? Like spicy or what?
I don't know, it was spicy, but I like spicy food.
What's that? Butter chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
It's Pakistani food as well.
Yeah.
If you get a chance, would you like to date a Pakistani boy?
I don't have like a set type, so I'd be down to date anyone.
Okay.
My boyfriend's not watching this, but yeah.
If you get a chance, would you like to date a Pakistani boy?
Yeah. Sure. I mean, I don't really care. I don't mind.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah.
वन वर्ड क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए जब आप है ना तो फिर मुझे कोई खूबसूरत नहीं लगता।
उफ अल्लाह!
Possibly?
I like race is like not something I really consider, and yeah. So yeah.
What about you?
Absolutely, me too. I would definitely. I don't base who I date on race at all.
Yeah, of course.
It depends on the person. It's not about the country, it's about the person.
So it's about the person, not about the country.
No.
So you don't mind if he's from
I don't
Pakistan?
mind if it's from Pakistan.
I don't really have a preference either. I don't know. I just want a girlfriend, man.
What is a famous game in Pakistan?
There's a famous game?
A game? I should know this because I'm from New Zealand.
Yes.
Rugby? No.
Soccer?
They play that game in New Zealand as well. It's a very famous game there as well.
Badminton. I don't know.
Cricket?
Okay.
Cricket.
Oh, there you go. That's good.
He goes again, goes big, that's up in the air, and it's six, and a really beauty! What a win!
Oh, she knows the cricket. How do you know cricket?
My friend played it
Oh, your friend played here or back home?
back here. Here.
Do you know what language do they speak in Pakistan?
Probably a lot of different languages.
Arabic something? I don't know.
Pakistani?
Farsi? Is it Farsi? No? No, then I have no clue.
Yes, Urdu. You know Urdu?
No, I haven't heard of
Urdu.
Urdu.
Yeah, have you heard that?
No. How do you say hello in Urdu?
How do you say?
How do you say hello?
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Okay, wait. Again.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
What if I say something in Urdu and you guys can speak with me or you can try?
Definitely not.
Just try. Just give it a try.
How do
Maybe.
you say hello?
Okay, hello, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Osdod kiki oret.
100 टके की लड़की के लिए आप मुझे 50 मिलियन दे देते।
Vadere ka bacha.
What did it bacha?
Whoa! That was fluent. Can you try vadere ka bacha?
Can you say it again?
Vadere ka bacha. Vadere ka bacha.
What I get to I'm sorry.
Pakistan Zinabarg.
एक चुटकी टमाटर
Echukitul matal.
की कीमत
Kikimit.
तुम क्या जानो
Tomki jano.
पाकिस्तानियों
Pakistani.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
It means long live Pakistan.
Pakistan Zimbabwe.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan
Zindabad.
Zindabad.